Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful ombre and nail stamp nail design. So what I did was I took pieces off of my makeup sponge and I'm going to apply neon orange, yellow, and pink onto the little pieces, and I'm going to put them on my nails. Now the difference between this and the ombre is the ombre, you place the colors on the sponge and you just place it onto your nails, but with this you have more control because you can put the colors exactly where you want it to go. And I like this design because it's really easy and simple to do, and you can do it with any color combos that you want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some hollow glitter on top of it just to give it a fun little look. I just thought it looked really cute with the glitter on top of it. Then using my Pueen Secret Garden 01 nail plate, I'm going to apply some black polish onto a nice floral design. Like I said, this is a perfect springtime look. You can use any nail plate with any flower design that you want. And I'm going to place it on my nails. And I have to say, I really did like this look. I just thought it was so perfect for spring. It just gave it such a pretty, girly look. I just love the look of it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the liquid latex and clean around my nails. And I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple to do. Hope you liked it. Here's a finished look. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.